If you're planning to study in South Korea with full funding, the KAIST University Scholarship 2026 to 2027 is one of the best opportunities for international students, especially for master's and PhD programs. In this video, I'll walk you through the Scholarship Roar Guide step by step, including benefits, eligibility, required documents, and how to apply. The KAIST Scholarship is a fully funded opportunity for international students to study at KAIST University, one of the leading science and engineering institutions in Asia. KAIST is often called the MIT of Asia, and it was established in 1971 as South Korea's first research-oriented science and engineering institution. This scholarship is focused on graduate studies, mainly master's and PhD, and it can cover tuition, monthly allowance, and health insurance support. Scholarship summary. Here are the key points. Level of study: master's, PhD. Program period: master's 2 years, PhD 3 years. The article also notes that opportunity focus areas include a wide list of programs, so let's go through the courses next. Courses offered. KAIST offers programs across multiple colleges, including College of Natural Sciences, College of Life Science and Bioengineering, College of Engineering, College of Business. Choose your program carefully based on your academic background and always check the department page for program requirements. KAIST University Scholarships application deadline. There are multiple admission tracks. Spring admission, late August to mid-September. Fall admission, early track, early December to late December. Fall admission, regular track, early March to late March. And for Fall 2026 entry, regular track, the dates are March 3rd to March 17th, 2026. Tip: KAIST deadlines are strict, so prepare your documents early, especially recommendation letters and English test scores. Next is scholarship coverage. KAIST scholarship benefits include full tuition fee covered, monthly allowance of 350,000 Korean won for master's and 400,000 Korean won for PhD, plus medical health insurance fees. So in simple words, tuition is fully paid, you get a monthly stipend for living costs, and health insurance support is included. Eligibility criteria for the KAIST University Scholarship. First, English language requirement. You must meet at least one of these minimum scores: TOEFL IBT 83, IELTS 6.5, TOEIC 720, TEPS 599/new TEPS 326. Next, eligible countries. Applicants from all countries can apply, but applicants who hold Korean citizenship, including dual citizenship, are not eligible as international students. Degree requirements. For master's, you must hold or expect to hold a bachelor's degree before enrollment. For PhD, you must hold or expect to hold bachelor's plus master's degrees before enrollment. How to apply section. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Fill the online application form. Enter all your personal, academic, and program details carefully. Step 2. Master's applicants should choose up to 3 faculty members in their research area and list them in the faculty section. For PhD applicants, you should choose one faculty member as your preferred supervisor and list that person in the faculty section. It's recommended to email the faculty member before applying. Step 3. Upload required documents online. The supporting documents are high school profile, high school/university transcript, English proficiency test report, standardized official test score report, passport or national ID copy, statement of financial resources, honors and awards, optional. One recommendation letter. Scan everything clearly and use professional file names like passport_name.pdf or transcript_bachelor_name.pdf. Step 4. Pay the application fee. The fee is $80 or 80,000 Korean won. Payment can be made by credit card or bank transfer after completing the online form. Important points about the fee. The application fee is non-refundable. Once you pay, you cannot modify the application form. Any bank charges must be paid by the applicant. Step 5. Submit your application. Before clicking Submit, review everything twice, especially your program choice, document uploads, and test scores. Now we'll start a quick demo of the KAIST online application portal so you can see what information the form asks for and how to fill it correctly. On Step 1, the portal first asks you to select your major and program, then enter your prospective faculty advisor. Master's applicants can list up to 3 faculty members, while PhD or integrated applicants list 1 preferred advisor, and it's recommended to contact faculty before applying. Here you fill in your basic personal information exactly as shown on your passport: name, nationality, date of birth, and gender. Then create a password and add your contact details like mobile, phone, address, and email. You'll also upload a profile photo and an ID document, PDF only. Then click Save and continue to move to the next step. Step 2. Academic information. Now we're on Step 2, where you enter your academic history. Select your highest degree earned or expected, then fill in your university name, location, major, study dates, and your CGPA/scale or percentage exactly as shown on your official transcript. Finally, upload your degree certificate and transcript in the Academic Documents section. Next is English proficiency. Choose your test type, like TOEFL/IELTS/TOEIC/TEPS. Enter the score and test date, and upload proof of the score. If you qualify for a waiver, select the waiver option and upload any required supporting proof. Below that, the work experience section lets you add internships or jobs related to your field. Only include experience you can support with an official document. Now you register your recommender's details, including their professional or institutional email. After you pay the application fee, the system will email them a link to upload the recommendation letters. Add recommenders early so they have enough time before the recommendation deadline. In Step 3, the portal asks brief written answers such as what you studied previously, why you chose this major, and your study plan. Keep each answer clear and concise, and stay within the word/byte limit shown under each box. Here you continue with questions like your plans after completing your studies, plus optional sections for honors/awards, and a short introduction to your previous institution. If you don't have a second choice major or something doesn't apply, follow the portal instruction. Often you can write NA. Now in Step 4, you upload core documents like your curriculum vitae, usually in PDF format. There's also a section for proof of excellence, where you can upload awards, certificates, test scores, or publications. Only upload items you can prove with documents. Finally, on My Page, you can review your application status and you'll see a reminder that you can proceed to payment after completing the application. Important: the application number is often issued after payment, and once you pay, you may not be able to edit certain parts, so review everything before paying. That's the full walkthrough of the KAIST University Scholarship 2026 to 2027 for master's and PhD students. Like the video, subscribe to Scholarship Roar, and comment your field, engineering, business, or natural sciences, so we can recommend more fully funded scholarships for you.